The last time the world came to an end was approximately 60 million years ago. Before that, for nearly 170 million years, our Earth was ruled by gigantic creatures called dinosaurs. What happened to them afterward? How did the end of the world occur? And is it possible for us to bring dinosaurs back into our world again? Modern humans have existed as humans for only about 50,000 years. Long before that, around 230 million years ago, when all the land on Earth was a single supercontinent, dinosaurs lived on this planet. Among them were dinosaurs larger than 20 African elephants, as well as very small ones. When we look at their diets, there were gentle, plant-eating dinosaurs that fed on leaves, grass, and plants from nature itself. There were also dinosaurs that survived by hunting and eating other dinosaurs, and there were dinosaurs with feathers and wings. Like humans, dinosaurs lived in groups. They had a specific leader, and the rest of the group functioned according to that leader's commands. The fact that they lived on Earth for nearly 170 million years itself shows that dinosaurs were far more evolved than humans. Because of this long evolution, dinosaurs had the ability to see more colors than humans can, possessed highly advanced thinking abilities, and could regulate their own body temperature. So what happened to these dinosaurs that ruled the Earth for about 170 million years? When we look into this question, we find two main explanations. One group believes that most dinosaurs died due to environmental problems on Earth, especially massive volcanic eruptions. Another group believes that dinosaurs disappeared forever from Earth because a huge asteroid struck the planet, causing a massive end-of-the-world event. According to this view, a giant asteroid about 10 kilometers wide hit the region that is present-day Mexico. The impact was equivalent to the explosion of billions of nuclear bombs at once. Because of this single asteroid impact, dinosaurs suffered enormous destruction. The force of the impact was so intense that even the soil of the Earth turned into lava, and massive clouds of dust and smoke rose into the atmosphere, completely blocking sunlight from reaching the Earth. This condition lasted for many years. Gradually, the Earth began to cool and entered an ice age. Even the dinosaurs that survived the asteroid impact later found it impossible to survive under these harsh conditions. As a result, most dinosaurs gradually began to die out. The only ones that survived this extreme cold were small dinosaurs with wings and feathers. After millions of years, these dinosaurs evolved into what we now see as birds. As the cold slowly reduced, mammals that had been living only inside caves, fearing dinosaurs for a long time, began to come out. Over millions of years after that, the Earth gradually transformed into the world we see today. This is the story of dinosaurs, creatures that once ruled the entire Earth and had the ability to communicate and think. Now the question arises, can we bring these dinosaurs back into our world again? Many people have come forward claiming that dinosaurs can be brought back, and many scientists and paleontologists have made serious efforts toward this goal. Initially, their plan was to collect dinosaur DNA from fossils and recreate them through cloning. However, when they realized that it is not possible to collect usable DNA from fossils, they were deeply disappointed. In this situation, during the 1980s, a man named John Tax began searching for mosquitoes that had lived about 60 million years ago. There was a specific reason for this. During the time when dinosaurs lived, mosquitoes must have bitten dinosaurs and fed on their blood. If such mosquitoes had gotten trapped in tree resin and survived without damage until today, they would contain dinosaur blood inside them. From that blood, dinosaur DNA could potentially be extracted, and dinosaurs could be recreated through cloning. This idea was the reason behind his search for ancient mosquitoes. However, no matter how much he searched, he could not find anything that matched his expectations. Later, a paleontologist named Jack Horner, who worked on all the Jurassic Park movies, came forward with an idea called the Chickenosaurus. Since modern birds are descendants of dinosaurs like Archaeopteryx, his idea was, why not genetically modify present-day birds to bring dinosaurs back? Based on this idea, he chose the chicken for experiments. His goal was to genetically modify a chicken and turn it into a dinosaur. However, there were 2 or 3 major challenges. The first challenge was removing the chicken's beak and bringing back teeth. Scientists carried out genetic modifications on chicken embryos to create chickens with snouts, mouths, and teeth similar to dinosaurs, and they succeeded in overcoming this first challenge. The second challenge involved the legs. Dinosaurs had large, powerful legs, and transforming a chicken's legs to resemble those of dinosaurs was a major puzzle. However, around 2015 to 2016, a Chilean scientist found a solution. By modifying 2 bones in bird legs called the tibia and fibula to make them the same length, it became possible to transform chicken legs to closely resemble dinosaur legs. Experiments were conducted, and they achieved success in this area as well. The third challenge concerns the tail. Chickens have very short tails, and a long tail would make it difficult for their bodies to support the weight. Scientists have conducted many experiments to overcome this problem, but they have not yet achieved complete success. Researchers believe it will eventually be possible to bring dinosaurs back into our world. What is your opinion about humans bringing back dinosaurs that have gone extinct from the Earth? Do you think dinosaurs could become a major challenge or threat to humanity? Please share your opinions in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.